Hi everyone, this is Gillian. I'm popping on to do a video at last, just in time in June, for my design team project for JustPenny. Penny Blushing Raisin Whitmore. I must find out why she's got that name. I've mentioned it a few times while it's been in the making. It's a Victorian seamstress. Her digital is a Victorian seamstress, and for ages and ages I've been wanting to make myself a journal that is also very practical for keeping bits and pieces in for my journaling and my sewing. So I'm going to just show you, because it's quite large, I'm just going to show you the cover as it is standing up, just to show you that it does stand up very easily. I've used, it was a journal of handmade papers that I bought for the papers, and I'd never used the cover. It was very plain, so I've obviously busied it up quite a lot, and it's got room for all my goodies in it. So I'll pause once I've done this bit and then lay it flat on the desk to show you the insides, because that would be easier. So I've called it So and So. That's the back of the spine. There were holes. These holes were where the original papers were in, so I've made use of them, putting on fancy bits of jewellery to pretty it up. And then I wanted to make the back cover as pretty as the front, because it sits on my desk and then I can have it whichever way around I want. So this is one of Penny's images, and I've used craft papers, as you can see, doilies, bits of vintage music paper and lace. And then the front, again, some lace. None of her actual image. Oh yes, there is one little bit of an image from Penny's kit here, and I love these little oh, I always tap on these videos because my words escape me. Hanger charms, coat hanger charms. So I'm going to pause the video, put it down, open it, because as you can see it's pretty taut, that closure, and then I'll lay it flat.